Alright guys, Trey's on his way for me right now. He's pulling up. Let me grab my stuff. Alright guys, so Trey's let the bacon sit down for 5 minutes and shit. It's still cooking right now since we have it at low high. And he's about to throw in the eggs. You see, we got Master Trey right here. Alright, y'all, so Trey already put the eggs in. He's about to mix them. God, you almost ran me. There we go. See, he's whisking it. Got 1,000 meters per second. Bacon's still cooking. Nice. Of course. Pepper. With salt. If you really wanted to kick with some cayenne peppers in there. As you can see, we're seeing Master Chef Trey's secret ingredient, nut.
Stupid.
You know what's funny? I've never seen anyone put milk in that.
Makes it fluffy.
What the fuck? You fucking dropped it. It looks like you're making a frittata.
You look like a frittata.
Wow. And everything ready.
Close away from.
Alright guys, so you gotta keep a constant rhythm so the egg doesn't stick to the pan. As you can see, Master Trey is right now executing perfectly. He only took 35 years of culinary school. Alright guys, let's see how Master Trey displayed. Let's go. I'll take a picture so y'all can see exactly how it would look.